Welcome back to Current Events Unpacked. Today, we're diving deep into a story that sent ripples through the scientific community and climate policy circles: the retraction of a high-profile study that estimated climate change costs at a staggering $38 trillion. This figure, published in Nature, quickly became a central talking point, used to underscore the immense economic threat posed by a warming planet. But then, an abrupt and unprecedented retraction. For many, it raised immediate questions about scientific integrity, data reliability, and the narratives we build around critical issues. Let's unpack what happened, why it matters, and what we can learn from this significant development. So, what went wrong? The study, led by Dr. Maximilian Kotz, had claimed that annual economic damages from climate change could reach a massive $38 trillion by 2050. This figure was used by policymakers and activists alike to highlight the urgency of climate action. However, independent researchers, upon reviewing the underlying code, identified a critical flaw. A coding error inadvertently exaggerated the projected economic damages by miscalculating how temperature changes impact economic growth. When corrected, the annual cost plummeted from $38 trillion to a much lower, though still significant, $1 trillion. Nature Communications, the specific journal where it was published, issued an editor's note stating that the original article is no longer valid due to a coding error. This wasn't a minor tweak, it was a fundamental recalculation that changed the scale of the projected impact entirely.
This incident is more than just a numbers game. It's a profound lesson in scientific rigor, transparency, and the challenges of communicating complex research. While the corrected figure of $1 trillion per year is still substantial and reinforces the economic imperative for climate action, the retraction of such a widely cited study inevitably fuels skepticism and can be weaponized by those who seek to discredit climate science altogether. It underscores the critical importance of open science, making data and code publicly available for scrutiny. The authors themselves, to their credit, acknowledged the error and cooperated with the retraction process. This episode reminds us that science is a process of constant refinement and self-correction. Mistakes happen, even in prestigious journals, but transparency in addressing them is paramount to maintaining public trust in research and ensuring that policy decisions are based on the most accurate information available. It's a call for even greater diligence across the scientific community.